G'day guys, Adam here from Fishy Business. Just a quick one for you. I've had 3 or 4 days awesome fishing, caught a bunch of fish, and I did catch one quite large snapper which I had to keep because it wasn't going to survive. So rather than cook it the traditional way, I thought I'd smoke it up in my Bradley smoker. So what I did is I filleted it down, I took the wings off because there's plenty of good meat in the wings. I've taken the frame and I've brined that overnight in a mixture of salt and brown sugar. And I add a bit of water to that to make a brine and soak it overnight. So I've given it 24 hours and then I take it out of that brine, pat it dry, and then I put it back in the fridge on a drying rack to let it get a bit of that tacky feel, because that tacky feel attracts the smoke. And now I'm going to put it into the Bradley at about 80 degrees Celsius for about 4 hours. Quite a cool smoke, and I want to get that flavour and colour right through. If you cook it fast, you can do it at a bit hotter, you know, like at 120 or whatever, and cook in a couple of hours. But I want to do it quite slowly to get a good coating on it. It's quite thick fillets, quite thick flesh, so I want that nice smoky taste. So I've just popped it in, and we'll come back in 4 hours and see what it tastes like. Right, time to check. That looks absolutely perfect. One last thing to do. The chef always has to have the first sample. That's absolutely perfect, and I'll do so myself. It's got a nice smoke through it. The fish is still moist, tender. That's going to make some excellent snacking. Also make some great smoked fish pie and even a smoked fish patty. Oh, that's hard to stop.